Hello and welcome to Regrow Tech India. I'm your host, Nayab, and this is our first video in the Aptitude series. So this is just like a starter video where we are going to discuss as to what all things should you expect from this series. So typically, considering this is an Aptitude playlist that I would like for you to add in your YouTube, um, the questions related to percentages, data interpretation, permutations, combinations, probabilities, areas, shapes, parameters, speed, time, and distance, questions on, say, problems with ages, time and work, profit and loss, divisibility, number system, fractions, decimals, series and progressions. So all of these topics will be covered in this aptitude series. Now, other than that, what would be the method of me teaching you the aptitude series? So here you will find that we will pick out more popular questions in each of these topics. And while solving the questions, I will also be discussing the concept behind it, right? That way, we will learn both the concept and the questions. And in that way, you'll have an understanding of both how to answer and how to approach the question, right? So I would love for you to add this series into your playlist so that you can learn much more. And I really hope you like this playlist. And if you do, I would love for you to like this video and subscribe. Thank you so much.